Good evening, everyone. So, I'm live from Yellow Frames Art Studio, and my name is Meenal. I'm the Indian folk artist and art educator, where I teach around 21 different Indian folk art forms to all my participants all over the world. So, the season has come again where we are starting the launch of our Canvas calendar basis. It's been 3 years in a row that we have been making these bases since 2020. 2021 was a very big hit. We sold so many calendars at a huge number, and now again we have come up with the calendar for 2022. So this is the calendar base, and it is a must have for all the artists who work with acrylic paints. So the canvas calendar, it comes in a roll. You have to open it up, and this is the complete side of the calendar. Here all the numbers will come printed. So in the bottom half, when you fold the calendar in half, in the bottom half you will see all the numbers are printed, and the top is where you are going to work and put your artwork. Now you can try to do decoupage, you can try to do acrylic painting, you can even try to do some stenciling work or stitching work on it, and it will come with two dowels that already come with the pack, with the kit. So you have to insert it both the sides, top and bottom. This makes your calendar stiff. After you have worked and created your pattern on the canvas calendar, just insert the dowels on both the sides like this. Yeah, and one dowel is given to be inserted in the bottom, and then there is a string that you have to attach so that the calendar can hang. So as I was telling you, this calendar had gained a lot of popularity last year, and we sold so many calendars to the artists. Plus we also painted them and we sold it directly to the clients who wanted to order handmade home decor for their beautiful homes or for gifting purposes in their offices, corporates. So we sometimes even receive large orders where we print on these calendars the logo of the company along with some message for new year. That is also one option that we get into with the clients. And while I'm showing you the calendar, I would also like to show you this piece. So this is one calendar that I kept for my home. I've painted this in acrylic color. I did a live session on Facebook for this. So this is also one calendar that I did last year, and we have sold so many calendars, especially to the artists who want to paint and then resale the work. And it is made of Cora canvas, which means that the small fiber that we normally face, that it comes out from the cotton fabric, that is not going to come out from this. Here I told you that you can hang the thread. The thread is also given in the kit, so you have to tie it at both the ends. Since it can be done with acrylic paint, so you don't have to bother about what medium to use and what colors to use. Also you can do decoupage and stenciling on it. So decoupage is a very easy technique. You can fill the whole space nicely. This is for the mixed media artists who love to explore with different medium. And you can do embroidery and stitching. So if your mom is good at stitching, or if you know somebody, your friend who does some stitching and embroidery work, you can gift it to them. They can also put their artwork here. So this place, it can be set in the hoop and stitching can be completed on it. So these are the various options that you can work for to decorate this calendar. So this is a must buy product for all the artists, especially who work with acrylic paints. And minimum order, of course, there is a minimum order. You have to buy at least 3 pieces of this calendar, and I will share the link down below where you can place your order. And it has to be a direct WhatsApp link. I will share that link. You can place the order, so we will get your calendars packed and shipped. Now I'm going to show you some inspirations from last year's work that we created and we sold and we shared with our customers. So here you go for them.